Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay for Tinder Gold. So let's get into the video. So open up Tinder and log into your Tinder account, and once I've logged in Tinder account, so go to the Tinder Gold tab here. This is your Tinder Gold tab. Click on it, the star icon, and then click on the see who likes you. So they'll get you to the Tinder Gold subscription page here. So go to the subscription page and select whatever plan that best suits you. Just choose one and then hit on continue. So when you hit on continue, this will take you to your payment page where you can pay through Google Pay. So you can choose however you want to pay. So at the moment this is your current payment method. So if you want to change it, you can hit on this arrow and then select however you want to pay. So whether your bank account, your credit card, or your gift card, or with any UPI, whatever it is, just select that. Once you select that, all you have to do, hit on subscribe, and that's it. Payment will be made through whatever method that you have chosen, and then that's pretty much it. That's how you pay for it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.